Hello students, continue with chapter 3D. Today we discuss angle between two planes. Angle between two planes P1 and P2 is equal to the angle between the normals to these planes. Vector form. Let vector r dot vector n1 equal to d1 and vector r dot n2 equal to d2 are equation of planes, then cos theta equal to vector n1 dot vector n2 upon magnitude of vector n1 magnitude of vector n2. Cartesian form. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2 are equation of planes. Then vector n1 equal to a1i plus b1j plus c1k and vector n2 equal to a2i plus b2j plus c2k. So cos theta equal to vector n1 dot n2 upon magnitude of vector n1 magnitude of vector n2, and this equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Condition for two planes to be perpendicular: if theta equal to 90 degree or cos theta equal to 0, then vector n1 dot vector n2 equal to 0 or a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. And condition for two planes to be parallel: if vector n1 parallel vector n2 or vector n1 equal to lambda vector n2, we can say a1 over a2 equal to b1 over b2 equal to c1 over c2. And when we have to find equation of plane parallel to a given plane, ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, it is ax plus by plus cz plus lambda equal to 0. Now using these results, we discuss questions. Question number 1. Find the equation of plane passing through points 1 minus 1 2 and 2 minus 2 2 and perpendicular to the plane 6x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 9. Here equation of a plane passing through point 1 minus 1 2 is a into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z minus 2 equal to 0. Let it is equation number 1. As this plane also passes through point 2 minus 2 2, so put it in equation number 1, we get a into 2 minus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 1 plus c into 2 minus 2 equal to 0, and we get the equation a minus b equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And given plane is perpendicular to plane 6x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 9. So product of their direction ratios equal to 0, 6a minus 2b plus 2c equal to 0. We have to find out now ABC. So we have to solve these two equations, a minus b plus 0c equal to 0 and 6a minus 2b plus 2c equal to 0. So a upon minus 2 equal to minus b upon 2 equal to c upon minus 2 plus 6 equal to k, and a equal to minus 2k, b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 4k. Put these values of a, b, c in equation number first. Minus 2k into x minus 1 minus 2k into y plus 1 plus 4k into z minus 2 equal to 0. Dividing by minus 2k, x minus 1 plus y plus 1 minus 2 into z minus 2 equal to 0. And equation of plane in Cartesian form is x plus y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0. If we have to find out vector equation of plane, then it is vector r dot I plus j minus 2k plus 4 equal to 0. Question number 2. Find vector equation of plane that contains the point 1 minus 1 2 and is perpendicular to each of the planes 2x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 5 and x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 8. We know equation of a plane passing through a point, and here point is 1 minus 1, 2. So equation is a into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z minus 2 equal to 0, and this is our equation number 1. As this plane is perpendicular to two given planes, so product of their direction ratios equal to 0. We get two equations, 2a plus 3b minus 2c equal to 0, equation number 2, and a plus 2b minus 3c equal to 0, equation number 3. I hope you can easily find a, b and c and then put values of a, b and c in equation number 1. We get Cartesian equation of plane 5x minus 4y minus z minus 7 equal to 0. And vector equation is vector r dot 5y minus 4j minus k minus 7 equal to 0. So I hope you understand to find equation of plane when it is passing through given points and perpendicular to the plane. And now your home assignment is to do similar questions from chapter 11.